super majority. Pati po ang ating House of Representatives ay pwede po magkaroon ng political will laban sa corruption, sa crime, sa drugs, at para maiangat ang kabuhayan ng bawat Pilipino.
Pero come the next year, nung matapos na yung 15 months na termino ni Cayetano, pinadlak niya ang batasang pamansa, pinutol ang kuryente, sinuspende ang session para walang makapasok at hindi siya makudeta at matanggal bilang speaker.
With the plenary hall at Batasan padlocked, Velasco's allies are forced to hold their own remote session inside a sports club in Quezon City. They used the sheer force of the majority to resume the session, which Cayetano officially suspended until November 16. That move is seen as a ploy to prevent Velasco from taking over. The Velasco bloc has their own housemates created to add legitimacy to the proceedings.
Ako po, inyong abang lingkod, Lord Alan G. Velasco, ay taus-pusong tumatanggap sa hamon na maging Speaker ng Kamara de Representante. I accept this once-in-a-lifetime challenge to serve as Speaker of the House of Representatives of the 18th Congress. To my fellow Filipinos, I will not let you down. You have my word.
The world ending today, but their session is nothing more than a social club na nag-violate din ng IATF rules. Ilang country club na ang sinara dahil sa pag-violate ng rules. So sila nga ang rule makers, pero sila din ang rule breakers. Diba? They can do that tomorrow after the budget. Why do they have to do it now? Anong gulo ang gusto nila?
Is it valid, sir? Is it valid yung nangyari doon? Legal?
Kung valid yon, Banana Republic na tayo. So you mean if I can somehow get 152 to meet in another country club tomorrow, yung ipapasa ko doon, magiging valid? What if I meet in somewhere with 152 and pass a different budget? Tatanggapin ng Senate yung budget na yan? But this is unprecedented. Never in the history of the Philippines ganito kababoy ang ginawa sa Kongreso. Never. Never. They could have had the same effect of just being there, saying ganito karami, tomorrow we'll go to Congress, Cayetano, sana you peacefully turn over. But for them to say that's an official session, di ba, is, I don't think it ever happened in the world. So it will be part of the Guinness Book of World Records